In this video, we're going to learn how to take body measurements for kids lehenga choli. To take your measurements of your choli chest, take the measuring tape around this section like this to measure it. To take the measurement of your choli waist, take the measuring tape around this section to measure it. To take the measurement of your hip level, take the measuring tape around this section to measure it. To take the measurement of your armhole level, take the measuring tape underneath like this to measure it. To take the measurement of your around arm, take the measuring tape around your bicep level to measure this. To take the measurement of your elbow level, take the measuring tape around it like this to measure it. To take the measurement of your sleeve length, place the tape on the tip of your shoulder and draw it downwards toward the required length of your sleeve. To take the measurement of your choli length, place the tape on the mid of your shoulder and draw it downwards to the required length of your choli. To take the measurement of your lehenga length, place the tape from where you will wear the lehenga and draw it downwards to the required length of the lehenga. To take the measurement of your lehenga waist, place the tape from where you wear your lehenga and draw it around it like this to measure it.